To the Rutherford model, Niels Bohr gives some postulate or some theory. According to Bohr, that the electrons are revolving around the nucleus. It's okay, but in a particular orbit or a cell. That is named as K cell, L cell, M cell, N cell, where the electron revolve around the nucleus, but do not reduce any energy. That's why they can easily revolve around the nucleus. And for that, for the each cell, they get he proposed a formula that is 2m squared, where the n is the number of cell. It means first cell, second cell, third or fourth. So from that formula, we can find out or we can get that the first cell contain 2 electrons and the second cell contain 2 into 2 to the power 2. It means 2 into 4, that is 8 electrons. Similarly, for the third cell, we can get that there is 18 electron can be present, or for the fourth, that is 32 electron can present inside the cell. And again he proposed that at first the first cell fulfill, after that the second, then the third, or then fourth. That is the atomic model of Bohr, which is successful or correct. After that we can study about the valency, or what is the valency cell electron. The valency cell electron, which means the electron present inside the outermost cell of the atom. The electron present in outermost cell of the atom is known as valency cell electron. And the valency means the total number of electron present in the outermost cell. For example, oxygen. Oxygen has atomic number, that is 8. It means the first cell contains 2 electrons according to this formula, and the second cell contains the remaining. It means 6 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the valence cell electron number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. But the valency, it may be 6 or 2, because due to the octet rule, all the atom want to fulfill their outermost cell by 8 number. So for that, there is in the outermost cell there is 6 electron present. To make that 8, it required only 2 electron. We know that it is easy to get 2 electrons except it try to release that 6 electron. So it has the valency, that is 2. After that, what is the atomic number? The atomic number is the number of electron or the proton present inside an atom. Why the number of electron or proton? Because the atom contains the same number of electron and the same number of proton inside an atom. That's why. So atomic number is the number of electron or proton inside an atom, is known as its atomic number. It means the oxygen has the atomic number 8. It means the oxygen has the 8 electron and 8 proton. So after that, the atomic mass. What is called atomic mass? At the first, we know that the mass of electron is 2000 times less than the mass of proton. So in comparison to proton, the mass of electron is very negligible. So how can we calculate? So the atom contains the 3 element or subatomic particle, electron, proton, neutron. Here the neutron is very negligible. That's why the mass number can be calculated by the proton and neutron, which is reside inside the nucleus. Yes, the mass number is the sum of the proton number and the neutron number. That is called atomic mass. Yes.